everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kaila and I'm a Kawaii Lifestyle Blogger and Content Creator based here in Japan. So for today's video, I just want to share how I pack my care packages for my friends who are living in abroad. And this friend of mine, just a little background about her. Her name is Lynn. She's Indonesian, but we met here in Tokyo when we were both studying Nihongo or Japanese language. And then she studied here for her entire university life before moving to Italy to study and work there. And she surprised me weeks ago by purchasing or supporting my shop. She bought this Japanese summer stationery set. Okay, here it is. To reciprocate my love, I decided maybe I should also just send lots of freebies from Japan because I'm pretty sure that she misses Japan a lot. So I went to the grocery today and I bought her all the snacks that I've tried, and you know, I just thought that she might like. I bought snacks packed as packs. Not sure if that's correct. So for example, this one is a gummy. So I will be giving her samples from each flavor. So this one, I really like this gummy. So if you're coming to Japan, you should buy this pure gummy. Really yum. Osusume recommendation. Next, this was only like 100 yen, so I thought, oh my god, maybe she and her boyfriend might like to try this out. Yeah. I'm sorry to my friend for sending you all these unhealthy foods. Next, Pocky, peach Pocky. So peach Pocky. All things matcha. This is my favorite matcha cookie, Puchi. If you see this when you're traveling around Japan, you have to try it out. It's really yummy. And this one look interesting. Yum. Next one, this is my absolute favorite Calbee snack, pizza potato, because it has the real cheese. I haven't seen that one when I was in the Philippines. Like, there's actually real cheese dip. I mean, the potato chip is dipped in real cheese. So, and of course, my favorite, Alfort. It's my favorite. It's really yum. My friend used to like pandas before, so I'm sending her the sakupan, so she might remember her panda days. And mint popcorn, choco mint. And more matcha cookies. Is it focusing? Okay, there. Matcha cookies. Do you know what's this? This is actually a popcorn. So you just have to hit this part and it will pop. It's really like amazing Japanese packaging, and this is a genius invention. You don't need a microwave for this one. You just need fire here. Yeah. More Calbee snacks. I'm like a beauty guru. Lol. But the only difference is I'm holding snacks. And then I just find this very cute. It's a Ramune candy. So you usually drink this one during summer. This is just the cute candy version, but the actual one looks really cool in real life. Yeah. What else? And I'm going to give her... Hello, please focus. There! Okay, so I'm planning to give her this freebie from my shop. I hope to convert her into a stationery lady as well. Hoping. Hoping. And then, there. Wow, so many snacks! So many snacks. So, we have to pack now. Okay. Washi tapes I'm planning to use to design my box. Very cute. The theme is also packaging. Please. Okay, good job. Okay. And more washi tapes. Thanks for being you. And I'm going to write her a letter using this card, this postcard. Of course, tape, and scissors, and smaller washi tapes. Smaller. Okay. Some pens. And now we are ready. Okay. Let me just set up the place where I will be packing. I usually use this for my clients when they buy from Rainbowholic shop. And I finished it. So big. This is my care package. So the shipping label will be here. Of course, I cannot show it because, you know, security purposes. But there, this is my care package for my friend. I hope she likes it. And I hope that she will share the snacks with other people. Just kidding. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!